Hello friends, in this video I'll be teaching you how to add tags to your videos. So many of you don't know what is tags. Tags are the thing that connect your video with other related videos. So when you watch a video there will be many suggestions shown below the video. So this is the main source to get your video. So this is a very important thing. So for that, first of all, you need to open your YouTube Studio. Yeah, I think you have already downloaded it. Okay, open the YouTube Studio. There, select your video. Now, click on this pencil button. Now add new tags. Now you will be thinking, what should I give as tag? So what I give is, just open your YouTube, change your channel, your current. I'll be changing to this. Now click on search button. Now I will be, what should I do? How to create YouTube channel. So this I will be giving how to create YouTube channel. Let's give it how to create. This is my topic. You can give anything as related to your thing. How to create how to create YouTube channel. How to create YouTube. You need to do all normally. Simple. I think it's simple. YouTube channel. After doing that, so now you need to give a comma. Then a space bar. It's very important. Now you're writing. So next tag will be written here. So let's check the other one. Was it? How to create YouTube channel in mobile. How to create YouTube channel in mobile. How to create YouTube channel in mobile. Why isn't coming mobile? So comma, space bar. Now next, you can give as much you need, but there's a limit. Yeah, if you give more and more tags, it will stop you from submitting. How to create how to create YouTube channel in mobile. Channel in mobile in Tamil. How to create YouTube channel and earn money. How to create YouTube channel in mobile 2018. So I am posting this after writing all the tags I will show. So friends, I am back and I have gave my tags. So these are the tags I have given. So this is the way. So you can see that I have given how to create YouTube channel in Android, how to make YouTube channel in your mobile. So this is the way. You need to make relative titles, more titles for your video, with which you can connect your videos with other videos. So thanks for watching my video. After doing this, just click on the save. And the most important way to make viewers or to make view count is this. So this is the main way how others watch your video. So please do this. Without this you can't grow on YouTube. So I have another channel, so I know what I need to, what I had did. So thanks for watching my video. Please click on that subscribe button and don't forget to click on that bell icon in right of it, so you will never miss my video.